Hello people, coming to you tonight, do a little review on Dewalt 20 volt XR 12 inch battery powered chainsaw. I'm running 5 amp hour battery in it, and what we got over here is some seasoned cherry wood, about 6-inch logs, and we're gonna run the saw through a few of them and see how quickly we can make 3 cuts in that log. Well, get you set up here in position. All right, there we go. Now what we're gonna do, 3 cuts. So, all right, here we go. There you go. I'm not sure how long that was, but it wasn't very long. And just round it down there. And I gotta say, I am impressed with this chainsaw. It be good for camping. And get at least 20 cuts out of a battery. And I'm saying at least because I've never run a battery dead. That's 2 truckloads of logs. I cut 1 load with 1 battery and had to trim maybe half of the logs again, and the battery never slowed down. The 2nd load I measured them all, so I only had to cut them once. So yeah, I gotta say that I'm impressed with that for hunting and camping and shit like that. It'd be great because you don't need to bring a gas can. I use vegetable oil in the bar in case I was going to use it for meat processing or anything. It's not contaminated with oil. So yeah, I gotta say I am impressed. They have one. They have a bigger one, 16-inch, but it's a different battery system. But so Dewalt 20 volt XR brushless chainsaw, 12-inch bar. 2 thumbs up. All right, peace.